welcome back to Red Ted Art. We have some cute bookmark corners for you today. We have these ballerina bookmarks. Now remember, I've got a new book. This is my old book. I have a new book coming out in September. I can put some links down below for pre-orders and you can check it out. But today we have these super cute, are they cute? Adorable ballerina bookmarks. Now remember to look out for Ted as well. Ted loves to hide in my videos. Let me know down below where you spot him. But without further ado, let's take a look and see how these adorable ballerinas are made. So for our little ballerina, you will need some pens, some glue stick scissors, the colour of your ballerina's skirt, and some contrasting paper for the body. So we'll begin by making our little skirt or basic corner bookmark. Fold up your triangle, make it as neat as possible. Bring in this corner to the top. Repeat. Open. Bring one down flap. Fold over. Tuck it in. And repeat. So this is your basic origami corner bookmark finished. Now we're going to turn this into a ballerina. Let's just tidy it up a little bit. I'm going to begin by cutting this piece off. Now cut it as neatly as you can because we're going to use this for the rest of the ballerina. And cut off a little bit across the top where the body will go. I think that looks all right. Okay, now we shall make her body. I'm going to use this as a guide. I'm going to cut a straight line up. Again, keep the cut-offs because we're going to use it for other parts. Put a little rectangle. And I'm just going to cut out like a semicircle at the top. And you have your ballerina's bodice or body ready. There we go. Little scissors might have been a bit easier to use. Maybe trim this a tiny bit. There we go. So that's the body. Now we need the details. So we'll need some legs. So we're going to cut a long line and we can trim that in a minute. Those will be some legs. I need the body and the neck to dress her up in. Again, I'm going to use this as a guide. Cut everything a little bit bigger because you can then cut it down. And that's also going to need a head. So, I'll actually make the body a little bit longer because then you've got a bit more area to glue. Come in. And where the neck part is, just cut up. Again, don't worry about the neck being super long because you're going to use that to help glue things in place later. There we go. So it's literally a rectangle with a bit sticking out. Mine happens to be tapered a bit, but that doesn't matter. That's the body. We're going to need a head. Let's just cut out a circle. You might want to try and find something to trace. I'm doing it freehand. This might be a little bit too big, but let's just see. Oh, I think that's good. That's a nice sized head. And we need some shoes. So again, use your scraps. You don't need much actually for the shoes. You just need kind of like a semicircle with a little bit cut across. And then I'm going to cut a little triangle in. I think those are good feet. Little shoes. Then we're going to need the ballerina straps. Just cut some strips. and we're going to need some hair. I'm going to take my circle as a template and sketch it out. Then cut across, do a little hairstyle. Maybe don't worry about the pencil lines because we're just going to stick it on in reverse and then you won't see them. So I'm literally going to just cut out some hair with a little fringe. Let's have a look what this looks like. Are we happy with that? Got a little smudge on that, but I think that looks quite good. That looks nice. Let's have a look. You can always trim it a little bit. And then you also need a little bobble, the ballerina's bun. Yeah, that works for me. Right, time to glue it all together. We have our basic ballerina pieces. We now just need to do the final assembly. Add a little glue for the legs. I've got another one here. Let's see that they're the same height. And then make sure this fits in. If it doesn't, give it a little trim. Put glue at the bottom. Feed it in. And again, make sure they're about the same height. I mean, they don't have to be the same height, but I quite like it. Make sure the two halves don't glue together. You're just gluing in your ballerina in place. Take your pens and add little faces. This one's got her eyes shut. And there you have it, little mouth. Your little ballerina bookmarks are done. Aren't they adorable? Now, I might later on when I finish just put some little hair bows in, but there you go. You have made some ballerina bookmark corners. Let's have a look what they look like in the book. I think that'll be super cute actually, I can't wait. Let's see. Look at that. Aren't they adorable? Such super cute bookmark corners. Anyway, don't forget, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and I'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.